This is Kiko Vlog, si Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm for another reaction video, ang Super Voices. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. For sure, puksa, ano naman to sila for today. So without further ado, let's start this. Tingnan natin yung puksaan
When
nila.
singers come together, they sound.
Ay, ang alam ko, hindi kasali dito
When
yung
their vocal prowess
the voice
collide,
kids.
they are.
Unstoppable.
And when they share the stage, they create music moments that are
Unforgettable.
dito sa All Out Sundays. Saksiyan ang liga ng mga natatanging mga awit, from outstanding talent show discoveries, breakthrough recording artists, to a new generation of superstars. Feel the power, experience the wonder, because you're invited to encounter the Super Voices.
Okay, go. Saan dalahin? Ay, AGs, tama? Wow! Ang ascending. Shifting. Ang gwapo nito, no? Gwapo ni Jungrex. Sino yung kasama niya dito? Jung? Ganda talaga ng texture ng boses si Jung. Yung texture talaga ng boses niya, iba. Ang ganda ng combination, sabay-sabay sila napuputol. Wow! Jong the part. May tinaas pa ni Jong. Wait. Ang ganda ng part na yun. Hindi ko nakuha yun. Sandali. Okay. Ang taas. Wow. Hala, puksaan talaga sila, ma'am. Totoo lang. The decrescendo is perfect. Kasarap. Orgasmic. Okay. Ay, siya na mag-isa. Binibigyan talaga nila ng spotlight si Jessica. Deserve. Ang ganda ng nuances niya, no? Song talaga perfect kay Jessica. Mararamdaman mo talaga yung emotion, no? Ay, grabe. Grabe the control. Wow! Ang ganda ng mga decrescendo talaga nila. Powerful talaga ang boses nila. Oh, it's that versus Thea. What's the title of this song? Ah, okay.
Sintamis ng wine, sintatag ng sunshine, tunghayan mo
Clarity from Thea.
ang aking pagsinta.
So gusto ko to mag-host. Pati mag-podcast sa Trigger.
O ang pag-ibig mo, sinta.
Wow. Oh, love that. Isang sulok na lang. Kilas pa. Wow, the control though. I love that. Ang ganda dito, sabay sila pag gumaganyan sila. Sabay-sabay. Ayan o. That? Oh my God, Stephanie and Thea is killing it. Ay, grabe si Seth. Ay, grabe. Grabe si Thea. Ayaw nila paawat. Ayaw nila paawat. Ganda, no? And the way they end the song, trademark talaga ng GMA yan. Ganyang kaganda talaga sila gumawa or umareng, you know. Tsaka yung mga singers nila. Anyways. Ay, basang-basa. Pagkatapos mo magkulot-kulutan sa opening prod kanina, yung totoo. Ulitin natin. Wow.
Walang masisilungan, walang malalapitan. Sana may luna pa, akong may luna.
Ganda ni Arabel. Sige na. Copy si Julie. Nakaka-mesmerize naman to. Ay, wow! 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 Gusto ko mapakinggan. Wow! The harmonies is giving. I love it. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The Super Voices GMA Singers 8 and Left No Crumbs. As always, this is Kiko Vlogs. And see you in my next vlog. Bye!